What are Roman arches and vaults in construction? Imagine walking through the grand corridors of the Colosseum and noticing how the ceilings and walls seem to rise effortlessly. That's the magic of Roman arches and vaults at work. These building techniques changed how structures were made forever. They allowed Romans to create large open spaces without needing thick walls everywhere. The arch is a curved shape that spans an opening like a doorway or window. It's built from wedge-shaped stones called voussoirs, which fit together tightly. The central stone at the top is called the keystone, and it locks everything in place. When the keystone is set, the arch distributes the weight above it down through the voussoirs to the supporting walls. This design is much stronger than a flat beam and can hold much more weight. That's why the Romans could build bigger openings and taller buildings. Vaults are basically arched ceilings or roofs. The simplest type is the barrel vault, which looks like a long tunnel made from many arches placed side by side. These vaults are great for covering long hallways or corridors, but they need thick walls to hold the outward push of the arch. When two barrel vaults cross at right angles, they form a groin vault. This type is stronger and lighter because the weight is focused along the lines where the vaults meet. That means thinner walls and more windows for sunlight. Romans also used domes, which are rounded vaults that cover circular spaces. They are made by rotating an arch in a circle, creating a hemispherical roof. The Pantheon in Rome is a famous example of a dome. The secret to building these impressive structures was Roman concrete. It was a strong, flexible material that could be poured into molds. This allowed builders to shape arches, vaults, and domes easily. The combination of concrete with arches and vaults let Romans build taller, wider, and more beautiful buildings than ever before. In the Colosseum, arches and vaults are everywhere. They support the massive tiers of seating and create open passageways for thousands of spectators. These techniques made the Colosseum both sturdy and spacious. They also became symbols of Roman engineering skill and power. Thanks to these innovations, Roman architecture left a legacy that still influences building today.